In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocHub. We'll begin on the DocHub dashboard, which is where your files are listed and easy to access. From there, locate the document you want to sign and click on it to open it in the editor. Once the file is open, look near the top of the screen for the Sign option and select it. This is the area where DocHub gives you access to its signature tools, and it's the starting point for adding your signature to the document. Next, choose Create Your Signature. DocHub will then give you several ways to make one, so you can pick the method that works best for you. Depending on your preference, you can use your phone, draw your signature manually, upload an image of it, or simply type it. Each option has its own advantage. Drawing can give you a more natural, handwritten appearance, while typing is usually the fastest and easiest choice if you want to move quickly. If you decide to use the type option, go ahead and browse through the available style choices. This lets you preview different signature looks before making your selection, which is helpful if you want something that feels both readable and professional. Once you find the version you like, click Save as Default. That's an important step because it stores your signature for future use, so the next time you need to sign a document in DocHub, you won't have to create it again. After saving it, click Sign again to return to the Signature tool. You should now see the signature you just created ready to use. From there, drag and drop the signature onto the document wherever it belongs. Take a moment to place it carefully so it sits neatly on the signature line or in the correct signing area. And that's it. Your document is now signed in DocHub. If needed, you can still adjust the placement after dropping it in, which helps